And hello there, Blamo fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is one of the latest 30 minutes mission kit, which is the Espossito Gamma, the third kit that is able to transform from robot to an airplane mode. So we had an Espossito Alpha, Espossito Beta, and this is the Gamma. So as you can see in the box art, we can see here in his robot form and in his transform state. Off to the side, yep, you can see here the normal mode and then the flight mode. And of course, since this is 30 minutes mission, you can customize it however you want. Of course, we have it here, back and front, normal mode, and the flight mode. So let's take a look inside the box. First off, we see one bag with 1, 2, 3 sprues, one all red and one multicolored sprue. Another bag, which is all red. Last bag with a darker brown and a purplish one, and of course some ball joints. And of course, let's not forget the instruction manual of the Espossito Gamma. So yep, here like I said, we had the Alpha and we had the Beta, and this is the Gamma. And of course, you can combine it however you want with whatever kit you want. It's because this is 30 minutes mission. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have a A1 sprue here, which has the clear red, some dark maroon colors, and some light purple colors. It also comes with an A3, same colors, only difference is that you don't have this part here, and yeah, a lot more parts on top, making it an A3 sprue. We also have a B sprue, which is all purplish color, and then we have the C1, which is all red. There's no C3, but there's no C2, but there is a C3, still red color. A C4, and yep, due to shipping, well, since this is 30-minute missions, and how the sprue is actually how easy it is for the parts to remove the sprue. So yeah, some shipping mishaps, bumps here and there could loosen the parts. And we have a C5 here, which is all red. So there you have it, Blamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 30 minutes missions Espossito Gamma. And yes, I do really regret not buying the Alpha and the Beta, because hey, it has nice designs, both the Alpha and the Beta, and of course for the Gamma. So let's see if we could hunt them down and buy some from it. Anyways, this is Mixerwars, and this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. If you want the videos, like the videos, share the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.